Imagine having the skills and knowledge to create next major advancement in artificial intelligence or cybersecurity. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are excited to introduce an incredible and in-demand course for you all, that is Masters in Computer Science. In today's video, we are going to discuss popular countries and eligibility criteria for Masters in Computer Science. So, are you ready to dive into the world of technology? So without any further delays, let's get started with an overview of what Masters in Computer Science really means. It's a graduate level program focusing on advanced topics like software development, AI, database, computer networks and algorithms, aimed at students seeking deeper understanding and specialization in computer science. इस कोर्स की ड्यूरेशन यूजुअली 1 to 2 years होती है और इस कोर्स में आपको जो सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने होंगे वो है सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, algorithms and computation, machine learning, data visualization, natural language processing, numerical analysis, cloud computing, Internet of Things, software, information and network security, and software testing. और अगर मैं learning outcome यानी इसकी बात करूँ कि आपको इस कोर्स से क्या सीखने को मिलेगा, तो you can learn to analyze, design, implement and evaluate computer-based system, process, component or program to meet desired need. Other than this, you can also build your problem-solving ability by finding problems and creating multiple solutions for system and organizations while balancing different goals and finding middle grounds. अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि Masters in Computer Science is the only way for you to dive into the technology world, so don't worry, that is not correct. There are some other courses that you can pursue, and the list include MS in Computer Engineering, MS in Data Science, MS in Artificial Intelligence, MS in Information System and MBA with Technology Focus. Masters in Computer Science में अपनी educational journey start करने से पहले keep that in mind that there is certain criteria that you need to meet. सबसे पहले आपके पास Bachelor's in Technology, Engineering या फिर कोई relevant degree होनी चाहिए with minimum 50% of marks. और अगर आपने BCA या BSc in Computer Science में अपनी graduation की है, so that can be an advantage for you. Other than that, you need to have 6 to 6.5 band in IELTS or 80 to 100 score in TOEFL. Many universities also need GRE score between 310 to 330 out of 340, but you can also find some good options without GRE. If you fulfill these criteria, then go for it. You are ready. Now let's explore some of the top countries around the world that are ideal for pursuing a Masters in Computer Science degree. Many students prefer USA for Masters in Computer Science as it is the most popular country in the world for this specific degree, but there are other alternatives like Canada, which can be your second choice. Other than this, you can also consider Australia, UK, France, Germany or Ireland. Are you still confused about which country to choose or where to go? Don't worry, in the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss everything about pursuing a Masters in Computer Science in these countries, including tuition fees, scholarship, best universities, and many more. Also, you can book a free counseling session with one of our experts at Admitex. They'll assist you from your application process to your departure. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated.